I no longer buy blinds and shades. You won't believe it, but I make them myself in 10 minutes. They cost next to nothing. All you need is a roll of wallpaper. Measure out 210 centimeters from each edge of the roll. This length will be used for a window 1 meter high. Draw a line and cut the wallpaper at that point with scissors. Measure out 3 centimeters at the edges of one end. Draw a line and fold the wallpaper along it. Measure out another 3 centimeters and fold the wallpaper in the other direction. Continue folding the wallpaper in this manner. It will form an accordion-like pattern. Once the entire piece of wallpaper is folded, you'll have a pleated roll. Mark the center and drill a hole with a thin drill bit. Thread a string through the hole. Attach a string stopper to one end. Tie a loop to prevent the string from slipping out. On the other end of the wallpaper, attach the end of the string with adhesive tape. Do this on the side without the pattern. Take double-sided tape and stick it to the edge of the wallpaper where the end of the string is attached. Remove the protective tape and stick the blind to the upper window frame. And you're done. It only took a few minutes to make a beautiful pleated shade. You can adjust it with the string stopper. It beautifully decorates the window. It shields from light and neighbors' eyes. The string in the center allows for a beautiful fan effect at the bottom of the blind. Such a blind is stunning and unique. My apartment smells so beautifully that you can even smell it in the hallway. It's a scent of cleanliness and flowers. No store-bought diffuser is as effective. Want your home to smell exceptionally beautiful too? All you need is one small container. Pour ordinary baking soda into it. Add 2 tablespoons of these little balls. They are scented laundry pearls. They have an extraordinary aroma. Mix them with the soda in the container. Take some baby oil and pour 2 tablespoons into the container. Mix everything again. The oil will activate the pearls and release their scent. Now you can add another ingredient. If you have your favorite essential oil, you can add a few drops to your homemade diffuser. But you can also add a few cloves instead, place them on top, or arrange them in a circle as I do. A few pieces are enough. Finally, add the sticks. Now, the whole thing looks beautiful. You can place such a diffuser anywhere you like. You'll feel like you're in a real spa. You'll always have a fragrant home. When the diffuser stops working, just make another one. Its cost is not high, but the effect is amazing. Place aluminum foil and a pin from the can into the television. You'll be able to watch all the TV channels in the world. All you need is a small piece of aluminum foil and a pin from the can. Also, prepare a package of Chinese instant noodles in a large container. Set aside the contents of the dish, as we won't need them. Line the inside of the box with foil. Wrap the edge of the container carefully. Use a drill to make a hole in the center. Thread the TV cable connector through the hole. Use hot glue to attach it to the box. Prepare about 10 centimeters of TV cable. Remove the insulation from the middle of the cable, leaving only the inner conductor. Leave about 2 centimeters of wire at the other end. Attach the connector tip to it. Take a can of any beverage. Pour it into a glass. Detach the tab from the can. We need it to watch TV. Secure the other end of the TV cable to it. Now, prepare the TV cable. Cut and gently remove the outer insulation. Fold back the braid. Remove the dielectric. Attach the connector. Do the same at the other end of the cable. Attach the cable with the can tab inside the container lined with foil. This will be our antenna. Screw the cable end with the TV connector to the other side of the container. Attach the antenna plug to the end of the cable. And that's it. Just plug it into the TV and watch any channels. Properly positioned, it will allow you to watch all channels. is your home will smell for 3 days and the 3 nights. Even the neighbors will catch a whiff of it. To prepare these fragrant bowls, we need 3 lemons. Cut off the end of the citrus so it can stand. Then cut it into quarters without slicing all the way through. Prepare each lemon differently, and each one will have a different purpose for a specific room in the house. Lay out the first fruit and place it in a bowl. Sprinkle it generously with salt. The next ingredient will be rubbing alcohol. Pour in 1 teaspoon. It acts as a carrier of the scent and is essential for preparing the first mixture. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Next, prepare the second lemon. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. It has moisture-absorbing properties. Take your favorite laundry detergent. Pour 1/3 of the cap onto the salt and the lemon. Their scents will mix, creating a pleasant aroma of fresh laundry. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you which bowl to place in each room for the best effect. Sprinkle salt on the 3rd lemon as well. Then take a few cloves. They have an intense scent with practical applications. Place the lemon with cloves near the entrance doors and on the terrace. It will repel insects, flies, and pests thanks to its strong scent. Additionally, it smells delightful. Put the bowl with laundry detergent in the bathroom. Thanks to it, a pleasant scent of fresh laundry will linger for 3 days. It can replace air freshener spray. Finale. Place the last bowl next to the bed. Citrus aromatherapy aids in falling asleep. The scent of citrus positively affects the brain, potentially improving concentration. Moreover, lemon essential oil supports the treatment of anxiety and depressive symptoms. Preparing these bowls is easy, and they have a beautiful scent with practical applications in the home. This natural mixture cuts cough like a knife. You will stop coughing immediately, and your throat will stop hurting. It acts as a shield against the flu. Take a large orange. Cut off its end. Using a knife and a spoon, scoop out the pulp. The orange boosts the immunity of mucous membranes and seals the walls of blood vessels, preventing viruses from entering the body. It is rich in vitamin C, which makes the course of the illness milder. Take a clove of garlic. Chop it into small cubes. It contains allicin, a substance that has antibiotic properties. It soothes coughs and inflammations. Put it into the hollowed orange. Next, take a piece of ginger. Peel it and cut it into pieces. It has a warming effect, reduces low-grade fever, alleviates accompanying infection-related headaches, muscle aches, and sore throat. It thins mucus and soothes coughs. Add ginger pieces to the orange. Pour a tablespoon of honey over the mixture. It has antibacterial properties and helps to eliminate bacteria from the body faster. It has expectorant properties, aiding the process of clearing the respiratory passages. It transforms dry cough into a wet one, allowing the expulsion of mucus. Close the orange and leave it for 2 hours. When the ingredients combine, the mixture will be almost ready. Take a citrus juicer. Squeeze the orange with the mixture on it. The juicer strainer will drain the garlic and ginger pieces. Pour the mixture into a small jar. The dosage for children under 2 years old is 2 teaspoons per day. Adults can drink the entire mixture at once.